Hey guys, this is Ajay. So today we are going to host Netflix in Amazon. We can host static website in Amazon S3. So we are going to host Netflix in static as a static website. So let's get started. So I am attaching GitHub link below. In my GitHub link, go to repositories where you can find this file. Host Netflix clone as a static website for free in AWS. So download this. It will be useful for our project. So log in into the AWS console and type S3. As I am already in S3, let's do it one more. So in a previous video, we have seen how to create a bucket. We are going to do it that again here also. Create a bucket. We have to give a unique name. Let's say Netflix static website S3. In previous video, we haven't given public access, right? So we are going to give public access now. Remove this so that we can access our link from public and acknowledge this. We are not going to enable versioning. Come below and create a bucket. Let's wait for some second. So bucket has been created. So go inside your bucket. Go inside the properties to avail static website option. So we have bucket versioning. We can enable versioning. We can encrypt data and we can save logs. There are many features, but we are going to edit this option, static website hosting. We are going to enable it, and our source file is index.html. You can also give error HTML document, but it is not needed for our project as of now. And save changes. So we have successfully selected static website hosting option. But one more thing we have to do, right? We have to give permission to access it publicly. So how will we give a permission? Is it difficult? No. It is in JSON form, bucket policy. So do we need to memorize JSON? No. We can ask the Amazon itself. We have policy examples in documentation page of Amazon. And we can click policy generator 2 to create a policy. In this, we are having lots of examples. We can go through this slowly. Let's move on to hands-on. We'll be having all the policies examples so that you can get an idea. You must understand the basics so you can easily do. The basics is common. Type of policy, what is the basics? It is Amazon S3, right? So S3 bucket policy. So principal, star means all. So we are going to give all, star, principal. And Amazon service is S3, we all know. Action. So we are going to access an object from S3. So we are going to get an object. We can give all, but we are going to get an object. So we are going to give only that access. Search for get object. See, we are having get object, right? Click that. And it is asking for ARN. ARN is nothing but we have here bucket ARN, which is specific for our own bucket. Copy that and paste it here. Slash star. What is meant by star? Star means all. We are giving access to all. Add statement. Generate policy. So here, without memorizing, only with common understanding, we can generate our own JSON from Amazon. So copy this and paste in bucket policy and save changes. Wait for some time. Bucket policy has been updated. Okay. We have given permission and properties. We have selected static website and we can upload object. So I am having HTML and CSS file in my GitHub and I have downloaded in my folder. The action upload, add file. So already in my desktop, I am having Netflix clone, which I have downloaded from GitHub. Select all, open. Image is not been uploaded because we have to create a separate file for that. So let's upload first these two folders, file. Let's wait for some moment. Close it. And we are left with image folder for our HTML, right? So we are going to create a folder called images and create folder. So go inside image folder and we will have upload option. Add file. Now we are going inside image folder and going to copy all the files required for our static Netflix clone. So we are going to upload all the images which is required for our HTML and CSS file. It has been uploaded. We're going to close and we are going to the bucket itself. Netflix static website S3 and go to the properties. Scroll down. We have an HTTP link. Click that. Hooray! We got it right. See, it is same as Netflix original, but it is a Netflix clone. HTML and CSS file we have accessed. With this, we can host our own website for free in Amazon because S3 is in free service for 1 year. So we can host our own website. Or if you are a studying student or you are searching for job, you can build your resume or build your portfolio as a static website and put in LinkedIn. Thank you guys.